Hey everybody, in this video we'll be walking through how you can enable bank account and or credit card payment methods for your customers globally from updating settings in the operations portal. So right now I'm logged into the operations portal. I'm going to navigate to my settings screen. So I'm just searching on it here in the menu and I'll click on the link for settings. This is going to be an overview of all the settings that can be configured in the system. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to search on global here in the search box, and that is going to pull up the settings that we can update to help with enabling those different payment methods. You'll see here there is a enable global settings for payment processing. This one is going to be on by default, and this enables both card and bank payment methods in the customer portal. And then you'll see below that we have it broken out into enable global settings for payment processing bank account and also enable global settings for payment processing card account. So you can see these all are set to 1 right now. So that means that both payment types are enabled. So if I jump over to the customer portal here and click into payment methods here, and then click add payment method, you will see that they can select between card and bank account. So the customers are currently enabled for both. Now, let's say you want to disable one of those methods globally. What you can do is click into the settings. So we'll update the one for card account here. So I'm just clicking on the arrow into the setting. And in this value field here, I'm going to change this from a 1 to a 0, which disables this setting. I'll go ahead and click save here in the upper right. And then if I jump back over here to the customer portal, I'm just going to refresh my view here. Now you can see all of the previously saved card payment methods disappeared from the screen. And then if I click this add payment method right here, the customer now only has the option to add their bank account information for their payment method. The same can be done then too for the bank account. Again, if you want to disable it, you can update this value to 1 and that will remove the bank account option there. So this allows for customization on which types of payment methods you want displayed to your customers. One other thing just to show with the global enablement of these settings, if I go to companies, and then I'm going to just search on that customer I was just on. You can see here we have these columns, ACH payments and card payments. This is showing as yes, since we left the bank account setting enabled globally. And then card payments is showing as no, since we disabled it. So this can help you see which has been enabled or disabled by customer. And then if I click into the details here, one other thing just to show is with that global setting. If you go to the payment section here on a customer details, the payment system is going to be blank here. So there won't be a provider selected. But again, because you have that enabled at the global level, it still is going to apply to all of your customers. So that's a quick walkthrough of how you can enable those payment methods globally. Thank you so much for watching.